Alright, so we're out here at the driveway repair. I'm still waiting for millings. We are supposed to be able to get them today since the roads are closed, but I have a feeling that's not going to happen. But I'm going to get out here and just plow the snow away because I don't think it's not supposed to snow for the rest of the week. So I'll just get rid of the snow, and then whenever we get the millings, I could just put the millings down instead of having to plow. So I'll just set you guys up here and watch. Yeah, so that was a little harder than I thought it was going to be because it's still kind of unlevel and there's more ruts from cars driving on it, but I got it. You know, I got most of the snow up. Ended up taking some of the dirt in some spots. You could see in the pile, probably like 25%. This one looks really bad right here, but most of that's just snow. There's a little bit of mud there, but you know, now it's a little better for them getting in today, and I guess we are gonna get millings. If you saw me stopping in some of the time lapses, I was on the phone. I guess we're gonna get some millings today, and then I think we're gonna put some millings down here, like right here, run this road, and then up at the top where the turn-in is, we're gonna put some millings down there because it's really bad. They need to get that asphalt taken out and then bring gravel in and bring it up to level, but they don't want to spend that, so we're doing what we can. But I'm gonna go get some breakfast while I wait for these millings to show up. All right, so we got the millings delivered. I put them all down. We got 3 piles instead of 2, but I think it's a little better. We got a little bit thicker. But here, I'll wait till this fella goes. Well, actually, no, he's taking a minute. But yeah, we were going to the end of the garage here, so I should have stopped right about here, but back dragging it, we kept going a little bit, probably another 10 feet out, 8 feet out, something like here, and then this gets muddy. But probably gonna have to come back and see what, if any, potholes form. I think this spot right here might make one. It's still moist right there. Yeah, I think I'm still gonna have to come back, and this is a little high where the pile was. The sides are a little bit high, but take a trip up to the top. The top looks a lot better, and just from watching the dump back down, it was a lot smoother than it was. But coming up here, this inside smoothed out a lot compared. Still not great. I mean, you should have a grader here. We should get a skid steer grader attachment. That would help a lot for setting the base. But also, I'm not very good at dumping down a hill. Oh yeah, see, I need some here. I'm gonna have to come back and fill this. There's not enough over there. Right there needs a little bit. Right here needs a little bit. Maybe I'll come back and just skim the tops. Yeah, I'll probably skim where we had the third load dumped, and then take that down to the bottom, or take that up here and fill on that side a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for this guy to go and I'll show you guys. Ooh, it's cold. It's been cold all day. Luckily it didn't snow though. But yeah. So here's the entrance now. Yeah, it's a whole lot smoother. I'm gonna take a drive down the back, see what it feels like, and see if I see anything that I missed from the walk. I'll just do a little time lapse of that one because it should be quick. Yeah, so that's a lot better. I mean, you could actually get some speed now. I was going like 20 down there, 15 up. But yeah, still got to put these guardrails in. I thought we were going to do it before we put the millings down, but hey, he's the contractor, I'm just the help. But yeah, it's about 5 o'clock, so we're going to head home, and I might come back here to do a couple touch-ups like I was saying, but it depends on the client, you know. It's a friend, and if he's cool with how it is, then it's cool with me, but I'd like to do a little bit more there, get that fill a couple of those holes in the brim, or on the hill here. But yeah, we're back here to put this guardrail in for drainage here. I think we're only going to do the one because there's a little pond at the bottom.
Let's bring it up here so I can mark where we gotta have it. How wide we want to have it.
Be right back. Alright, so there we go. You can see the trench we dug all the way down to, there's a little lake over here. Not lake, but, stream. So this drains into that stream. We didn't need to take it across the road because there's that stream right there. There's a culvert under this road deep. So everything's good now. My dad drove over this, said he couldn't even feel it, so I think it's pretty good. If they need us to come out here and fix anything, we can. But for now, that's it. And it's time to go home.